We experience the effects of waves in our everyday lives. Waves are traveling disturbances. There are two general types of waves, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. One type of transverse wave is a radio wave. Every time you send a text message, a radio wave carries information from the original text all the way to the other device. Because radio waves are a type of transverse waves, their particles travel perpendicularly to the direction that the wave is traveling. With modern-day technology, this process occurs instantaneously and is imperceptible to the human eye. Now let's talk about longitudinal waves. In a longitudinal wave, such as a sound wave, the particles travel parallel to the direction the wave is moving. Let's take a look. Sophia. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of wavelengths of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation that goes from gamma rays, which has the fastest frequency and the shortest wavelength, to radio waves, which have the lowest frequency and the longest wavelength. The electromagnetic spectrum provides us with information about different forms of waves, which applies to our daily lives. At one end of the spectrum is the gamma ray, which is used to kill cancer cells. Next is the X-ray, which is used in healthcare to see inside the body to spot problems. Our knowledge of UV rays had helped us to be safe and fun in the sun. Before studying waves, we were not aware that too much sunlight could be harmful to us. While most of the electromagnetic spectrum is invisible to us, we can see visible light every day. Infrared wave is used in the night vision goggles to see in the dark. Microwave is used in the kitchen to heat up food. Radio waves are used to send information around and across distances with the use of radios and radio towers. They are what makes music play in our cars and on the radio.
Let's go! Hey! Red one! Hey! Hey! Shot it! You'll find us chasing the
Visible light has 7 colors that continue endlessly: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Without a prism or a venue that functions as a prism, white light remains intact. But when white light passes through a prism, it separates into different colors. This process is known as dispersion. When raindrops act as prisms for dispersion, the result is a rainbow, something like the one you see here.